Put honey on beetroot and see what happens. Nobody told me this. Take one beetroot, cut it into pieces, add a slice of ginger, the juice of 2 lemons, and 1 cup of water. Blend it well, strain the juice, and mix in a spoon of honey. Drink 1 glass every morning for 2 weeks. This powerful natural drink helps cleanse your system, supports your liver, boosts your energy, improves digestion, and fills your body with antioxidants that keep you feeling strong and alive. Try it and feel the transformation yourself. This simple natural blend helps reduce inflammation, support prostate health, soothe your throat, improve digestion, and gently cleanse your system. Add half an onion, sliced, and pour in 2 tablespoons of honey. Let it sit for a few minutes until the onion releases its natural juices, then take a spoonful of the mixture. Try it now and thank me later. At what age did you find out that if you cut half a cucumber, 1 apple, and add the juice of half a lemon with a cup of water, blend it all together and drink it on an empty stomach, it can completely transform how your stomach feels? This simple morning drink helps flush out bloating, reduce gas, improve digestion, and hydrate your body from the inside out. 1 glass a day and your stomach will thank you.